a spot that's pretty new to me. I've been here once before, and I didn't find very much, but it was enough to make me want to come back and try again. But there was a pretty brisk skirmish that happened along the banks of this creek, so I think it has potential. It's a fairly obvious spot, so it may have been hit before. I'm sure it's been hit before. In fact, the last time I was here, I did see a few dig holes. So hopefully they left something for me to find. We'll see. Okay, well, I'm starting to find bullets, so I thought I'd get the camera out. Listen to this one. Seems like it's a little deep, but I think it's going to be a bullet. Let's go take a look. Fishing center. That's still pretty cool. Let's keep going. That right there is a big spider. There's a bear up there. I don't know if he's seen me yet. No, I think he has. Going back in the woods. Here he is. On focus now. He hasn't seen me, I guess. I'm hoping he doesn't swim down this way. I don't think he will. I haven't found many relics today, but this is pretty cool. Look at that. I don't know if you can still see it. Yeah, I think you can. I'm just trying to find a place to go up now. Bank's kind of steep there. Oh, there it goes. That's pretty cool. I'm detecting along this washed out bank here. I haven't been finding much. I've covered probably a mile and a half today. I found a couple of bullets and some other junk, not much else, but check out this signal here. That sounds like a cannonball, doesn't it? It does. It's laying right on the bottom. I'm not 100% sure if it's a cannonball, but it's just lying right there. I can't believe that nobody's found this thing unless it just recently washed out of that bank, which is entirely possible. Let's see if that's what it is. It sure does look like it. I think it is. Looks like a 12-pounder. Yeah, that's what it is. Well, I'm going to slow down then and really search along this bank. It looked to me like that thing just rolled out of that bank and settled there. I'm going to slow down and Go through the shallow water some more and see if anything else like this pops up. Might be a good target. Let's take a look. That looks like a colonial era shoe buckle. I think that's what it is. It's gotta be, it's the right shape. Yeah, look at the design on it. Wow, that's cool. I've never found a complete one. I find broken ones all the time. Nice. Might be a good spot after all. Another good signal here, pretty close to where I just found that other cannonball, but it doesn't quite sound right. But I'm going to investigate it anyway because it sounds kind of big. There it is. Yep, that's why it was high. It's steel. That's the point off of like a backhoe tooth or something like that. What's that doing right out here? Weird. Put you back. On. Nice little high tone target here. Sounds like a bullet. Let's see what we got. Is it out of the hole? I don't think so. Right there somewhere. Try not to hit it away with it. Sounds like a bullet. I think it's a bullet. There you go. Another big old 69. Looks like it may have been wormed. That's cool, huh? Alright, let's keep going. Well, sir, I'm pooped. Covered a lot of miles today on this creek. It turned out to be a pretty good spot. I ended up finding one 12-pound cannonball, solid shot, a colonial shoe buckle, 4 or 5 bullets and a couple bullet sinkers, and we saw a bear and actually got it on video, so that was cool. We'll be coming back here soon, and hopefully there's more stuff.